I'm good. Okay. We're having some time tonight. Welcome to the center of the universe. Tonight, it's right here. Thanks to you and us, we're all here right now. Forget everything else. Right now, we're going to get some rock and roll soul healing. Okay, I promised you some old songs, and you're going to get as many as you want, almost. Thank God that's still alive. I thought that died. Who was that? What's your name, honey? I'm as free as a bird now. That's all you're going to get. Well, thank you for reminding me about that wonderful song from my friends from Jacksonville, Florida, Leonard Skinner. This is a song from the South, too. No, honestly, thank you, sweetheart. I didn't mean to make fun of you. This is a Southern song as well. It was written by my brother, Tom. I did not help him with this song. We wrote a lot of songs together, but this one he wrote on his own. And I think it might be the best song he ever wrote. And I'm going to do it for you now. It's slightly different than you may be used to hearing it. But this, the way we're doing it's like a waltz. It brings the words out front. And this is for you, and for us, and for Tom. There's a southern accent where I come from. The young'uns call it country, the Yankees call it done. I got my own way of talking, and everything is done. The southern accent where I come from. Oh, that drum taking Atlanta was the motel room for me. I think I might go work Orlando. Orange groves don't breathe. I got my own way of looking, and everything is done with a southern accent where I come from. Just remember There's a dream I keep having where my brother comes to me and kneels down by the window and says a prayer for me. I got my own way of praying, and everyone's begun with a southern accent.